Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Oralia. I'm so excited to have you here. Today's video is going to be 5 ways to wear a scarf for work. As a working woman over the age of 50, as well as being a fashion and beauty lover, my channel is all about bringing you style and beauty advice, as well as career advice or anything that has to deal with a working woman over 50. I post twice a week on Sundays and Thursdays. I really hope that you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing on my channel and you can join my fashion family. Scarves are one of the most underrated fashion accessories that we have in our closet today. We wear scarves a lot, especially right now when it is cold, and we wear them with our coats and jackets to keep us warm. But there are a lot of other ways that you can wear a scarf in order to enhance an outfit. I personally love wearing scarves to help make a little black dress stand out. I like adding scarves because that will add a pop of color. Scarves are definitely a way that you can express personal style in your wardrobe, especially at work. I think that scarves can help you look really put together and really polished in a very simple way. The first style that I wanted to talk about is called the cowboy. It's a very easy look to achieve. All you need is a square scarf, and by the way, all of the looks that I'm showing you today are done with a square scarf. The cowboy is a simple triangle that you come back and tie around the front. So you start the cowboy out by folding your scarf into a triangle, and the trick is to make sure that your triangle is offset a little bit. And then what you do is you take the triangle and you wrap it around your neck and you bring the two ends to the front. Then you take the two ends and you tie them into the knot, and the knot sits at the front of the triangle. And that is exactly how the cowboy look is done. It looks very much like the handkerchiefs that cowboys used to wear back in the day. This is a really great look with a blazer. I like how it looks. It brings a lot of volume to the front of the face, and it will bring a lot of color to the face. I think it looks really nice. It looks very put together. Almost like, you know, you've just got this ascot, and it really helps to bring a simple outfit to life. The second style that I wanted to talk about is called the cravat. It is just a simple adjustment of the cowboy. What you do is you take the top triangle up and over the knot. You can wear it with a blazer, you can wear it with a collared shirt. This is a really wonderful style. It's also good in the wintertime, I think. It does a good job of helping to keep the neck warm. The third style in today's video is one that I think is very elegant, really nice, really French. That's just what it brings to mind. It is called the French rose. Very simple to do. What you need to do is you fold your scarf into an accordion fold. And what I mean by that is essentially you're folding the sides onto themselves, and just making sure that you have that accordion style, because that's what's going to cause the flare of your French rose. Then you take that and you tie it around your neck, and this is a style that is best worn offset to the side of your face, or you know, sitting on your shoulder, because it is so dramatic. You're going to have the beautiful accordion pleats kind of just flaring out and creating that big floral effect. Very chic, very sophisticated. I love it. I would rock this with a pair of shades, you know, and just you know, feel like I rule the world, because this style to me is probably one of the most chic and one of the most out there styles, but really feminine and pretty and flirty and French. It just screams French to me. Anyway, that is one of the, I think, the prettiest ways to wear a scarf. The fourth style is another one of my favorites, and it is another French style. It is called the double wrap French knot. You take your scarf and you make a triangle, and then you start folding the scarf down. You can bring the pointed edge up and in to the fold, and you end up with a long strip of fabric. And you put it on the front and you bring it around the back. You bring the ends to the front and then you tie them into a knot. You can either wear the knot to the front or you can wear it to the side. To me, to the side is uber chic. I think it looks really fantastic, and that's my favorite way of wearing it, just slightly off center. It is just the most beautiful and sophisticated way to wear a scarf, and I like to wear my scarves this way under a coat. And the reason being is because the scarf is really doing a great job of protecting your throat. You know, it's got a lot of volume, so it will keep you warm, and it just looks so chic. So chic. The fifth style that I wanted to talk about is the one that I am wearing right now, and it is the easiest, I think, of all to do. You take the fold that you had for the double wrap French tie and you instead tie a knot in the center of the fabric. Then that knot is going to sit on the back of your neck. What you do then is you take the two ends and you tuck them into your shirt. Now this style is best when you're wearing a crew neck. It does a really nice job of helping to live up a simple crew neck for a dress or a shirt that you might have. And this is a really great one for the summer because you don't have to worry about layering a shirt underneath your dress or your shirt, and it will serve to help keep you warm. It's bringing a lot of color right up to your face. It sits beautifully. It almost looks like you've got an undershirt on when you don't, and is just the easiest thing to do. Those are my 5 ways to wear a scarf to work. Share with me some of the ways that you like to wear your scarves at work. I would love to hear, and I'm always looking for new and interesting ways to wear a scarf. That is all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I think that's it. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.